Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is kind of a last minute thing. Wasn't really planning on vlogging this, but the energy around Splash Mountain right now is so good. So we just got a photo pass shoot done. They kind of set one up over near the Bear Rabbit sign, and we're gonna go check out the people who have lined up on the bridge, and then it is about 10 o'clock, and then we're gonna jump in line in about 50 minutes. Just got this notification. 45 minutes till close.
We're in the final hour. Come on.
The ride just went down within the final hour. The lights are on and everything, so we're going over there right now. Who knows what happened over there? Yep, they're over on the intercom too. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. All right, well, as I was saying that, it looks like the chain lift has started running again, so maybe the ride's back on, maybe, let's see. Yep, they just sent one down. All right, thank God. All right, guys, here's the bridge. Everyone's coming down, everyone's cheering. It's a great atmosphere over here.
Where is the end of the line?
I have no idea.
I think that's where we need to find.
10:45. We're heading over to the front of the line to see, just to see how it's going. It was only 165, but we were guessing it's probably because people were going over and just waiting for the close. People are just gonna hang around, and it's gonna be a madhouse to the last second. But we're just heading over. Lightning Lane is obnoxiously long. Still, with the outside extended queue. Let's see, standby appears to be up to 175. Oh my.
Oh dear.
Oh my. It is packed. It is, everyone, I'm guessing, is hanging around a lot. I told Zach that this is the most attraction managers I've ever seen in my life. They're all just hanging back there, along with so much security.
No one has chained himself to the ride yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Super long lines for these smash pennies. Just crazy. I thought ahead. I got mine a couple weeks ago. Oh man. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. everyone's just cheering. This is great. We mentioned that even though it's sad, it's great that, you know, the Disney community can come together and just appreciate this. Oh yeah, there's Tom from WWT. Everyone's just gonna hang around here, I guess.
They're gonna try, but if they're not in line by 11, they will not get onto the ride. So.
You heard him. If you're not in line by 11, you're not riding. But everyone is just hanging around. Who knows where the line actually goes? I have no idea where the line actually goes. This is nuts.
Or is everyone just bunching up at the entrance?
Yeah, everyone's just mobbing like right
Everyone's just...
This is crazy.
Wow.
They're still at least 10 minutes out too. Wow. This is crazy.
We gotta find.
We should probably move off to the side or something. Yeah. All right. Casper just said that the end of the line sign is coming out. So we want to have an accurate gauge of where to go. But for now, people are just feeding in. Uh-oh. There it is. End of the line.
Okay.
Where's the
Yeah,
Follow the popsicle stick.
at 11 o'clock. 6 1/2.
I guess we just follow the end of the line. Yes.
Come on, guys.
Let's just wait for you.
Sign guy.
Sign guy. This is nuts. The sign.
They keep, you gotta follow the end of the
just
line.
keeps
Yeah.
moving.
Follow the damn
It's
sign.
It's
Follow
funny
the sign.
because an attractions manager has the sign right now, not even a regular cast member. But the sign is moving.
No,
Everyone's
everyone's
just
just
following.
moving.
And I mean, we got what?
I feel
7
so
minutes
bad for
till
this.
close?
I feel so bad for this guy.
Okay, come a little bit farther back.
There's literally just mob. There's no space here. They're just.
You guys gotta get into the line. You guys gotta get into the line.
Christian.
Front of this line.
You hopping in? I'm in line. Yeah, no, I'm in the line. Yeah, that.
All right. We got 11:05. The line is cut off. Lightning lane is completely cleared out. And down here, the standby sign is off. My friend Zach said that they are holding people back from joining the line back, and it was originally closed off at Pickles Bills. So we're here in line in 11:05, closed off. Let's see what happens. Security guys just debriefing now. What to do now? But look, standby sign is off. It's over.
Here for like what, 3 or 4 hours? You know,
We're gonna be here for 3 or 4 hours.
maybe. Who knows?
got the turkey.
I came prepared.
You're a smart man.
Been doing this since 1994.
There you go. Yeah, so these are the people who didn't get to the back of the line. I'm just waiting. Kinda, yeah, honestly, but I guess they're just waiting.
Oh, they're trying to see this people are going to get turned away.
This guy's shirt, 50th anniversary of Pirates of the Caribbean at Disneyland, and he said it was his birthday. How awesome. The people actually got their
This is I've seen too much. What is going on?
It's real. This is the end of the line, but there's also people who are trying to jump in as well. You got your security way back there. Who knows how this is actually going to end because I don't really see the whole plan.
We are moving. You want to ride Splash? Keep it moving. We need you to keep moving. Let's go, folks. Let's go.
That's crazy. I mean, she has every right to say that, but like, that's nuts.
Those people need to move though. They should be able to ride anyways.
Yeah, they shouldn't be able to. You can't do that. It's cheating the system.
Keep it moving!
This is happening right now because none of these people are just standing back there. So I guess we resort to people yelling.
That's great.
Missed the flight. I'm so happy.
Did they get sent back?
They closed it off, and then they basically said one guy was like, "Going, it's an emergency. It's the last day. I got to get on."
Oh my gosh.
That's great.
Wow.
People that were waiting under the bridge basically said they either had to get in the line or
Yeah.
they were pushed out.
Oh my gosh.
Here they come.
So this is
Empty queue, the rope has been drawn. Alright, here we go.
Last time.
The last splash. This is surreal. Thank you. Anytime.
It's time to be moving along. The weather is good, the fishing.
That's class.
How come you aren't laughing? That rare rabbit. He learned his lesson already.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much. Yes!
We did it!
Oh my God, what a photo!
Oh, that's awesome! Yes! That's perfect.
Yep. Yeah. We all work and we're just talking. I'm not leaving. You're either paying.
Thank you guys.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Have a great night.
It has certainly been a night. I kind of just started, I wanted to record the last hour because the energy was getting crazy, but as you saw, all those cast members got sitting down at the end. This custodial, the Splash Mountain cast members, the Thunder Mountain cast members. It's just, it's surreal. They're just sending out empty boats now, and it's just a sign. It's just over. If you guys didn't watch my documentary on Splash Mountain, I would recommend it because honestly, it explains why this ride, why people react like this to this kind of stuff. So I would recommend watching my documentary to really understand why people are so passionate about this ride. But we were saying we don't know how much of this is like gonna be actually walled off, but it's crazy. You know, I've heard rumors about this being converted to a beignet place, but it's kind of insane because, you know, we all, or at least me, I grew up here. Splash Mountain, one of the 3 mountains, and it's done.
We don't know.
Finally heading out. It started raining. If that isn't a sign to leave, then I don't know what is, but
Went the whole day without raining.
almost 1 a.m.
You may get wet.
Yeah, you may get wet. That's the perfect way to send off Splash Mountain, is to walk out in the rain.
Right?
Yeah.
Well, here we are, everyone. I appreciate you guys watching. This has been kind of a crazy video. Definitely a surreal one. Never thought that I'd experience this in person, but here I am. School has its advantages. I got class in like 6.5 hours, but that's besides the point. But thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you guys want to see more of this stuff. I had a great time, and now I'm just taking in these beautiful sights of Main Street. So have a good night, guys.